Good morning students. Today we will do question number 11 of exercise 8.1. But first of all, we have the theorem 8.8 which says that a quadrilateral is parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. That means if we have to prove a quadrilateral is parallelogram, then we will prove only one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. No need to prove both pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. We will prove only one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. So using theorem 8.8, we will solve the question number 11 of exercise 8.1. So question number 11 is in triangle ABC, this triangle and triangle DEF. We have given AB equal to DE, AB parallel to DE, BC equal to EF and BC parallel to EF. Now the question has 6 parts to prove. First part is to prove ABED is parallelogram. So ABED is parallelogram. Since ABED is quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, now we have to show that ABED is parallelogram. Now to prove parallelogram, we have theorem 8.8 that if a pair of one opposite sides is equal and parallel, then the quadrilateral becomes parallelogram. Now we already given that AB is equal to DE. AB is equal to DE. Opposite sides are equal and also parallel. Also we have given AB parallel to DE. AB parallel to DE. This is given to us. So one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. Then by theorem 8.8, ABED becomes a parallelogram. This implies ABED is parallelogram. Reason: one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. So if one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, then the quadrilateral becomes parallelogram. Hence prove the first part. Now come to the second part. In the second part we have to prove that BEFC is a parallelogram. BEFC is a parallelogram. So again we have given BC, this is the first part. Now second part, BC is equal to EF and also BC parallel to EF. So BC and EF, two opposite sides and equal and parallel are given. So BCEF is parallelogram because one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. Same reason mentioned here as this. Now third part. In the third part we have to prove that AD parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. So how we will prove this? We proved already that ABED is a parallelogram. So ABED is a parallelogram, but in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. So AB equal to D is given to us. Also BE is equal to AD. BE is equal to AD and BE parallel to AD. Why so? Because ABED is a parallelogram. Now next we proved in second part that BCEF is parallelogram. BCEF is parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. That means BE equal to CF. BE is equal to CF. Also BE parallel to CF. Why so? Because BECF is parallelogram. Now combining both equations we get BE equal to AD, BE equal to CF. That means AD equal to CF and here BE parallel to AD, BE parallel to CF. That means AD parallel to CF. Hence prove the third part. Now come to the fourth part. You can see how easy to prove all parts of question number 11. So In fourth part, we have to prove that ACFD is parallelogram. ACFD is parallelogram. ACFD. This quadrilateral is parallelogram. So observe carefully that we proved already in third part that AD equal to CF. AD is equal to CF, which are the opposite sides, equal and also parallel. Proved above. Proved above. So if one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, then the quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram. So ACFD is parallelogram. Write the reason here. One pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, so quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram. So hence prove the fourth part. Now come to the fifth part. Fifth part of question number 11, we have to prove that AC equal to DF. AC is equal to DF. That means this side is equal to this side. So observe that we already proved in the fourth part that ACFD is parallelogram, and in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. So AC is equal to DF and AC parallel to DF because ACFD is parallelogram. That we proved in fourth part. So how easy to prove all the parts. Now come to the sixth part. In sixth part, we have to prove that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent. In triangle, so let us take triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Now find three equal things. I'll give you hint that prove these two triangles are congruent using SSS rule. So do the sixth part by yourself and do the question number 10 and 12 of exercise 8.1. Thank you.